My name is Shanika, and I am the CEO and president of Vantage Point Enterprises, Incorporated, DBA, The Cake and the Coin. I am a graduate of Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency. Woo woo. Before running into Dom's program, I didn't have a credit repair agency. I knew I wanted to add that into my financial consulting business, but I really didn't know where to start, and it seemed like it was going to be a bit overwhelming, to be honest with you. I had the books, I did the free webinars, and I just was like, this might have to wait. After Dom, I have a clear, proven strategy on how to make this work. I am hitting the ground running, and I have a system that is in place and ready for me to take money the right way, and I can keep my money. What surprised me the most was was actually the ways to make money. That really surprised me. It was something that I hadn't thought about, and Dom definitely exposed me to it. Why Dom? I mean, why not? I've been following him for years, and he's presented himself as a credit repair specialist, and on top of that, I've seen his accolades, and I went and researched him for myself, and it was something I had been looking for and wanting for years. Had been wanting him as a mentor, and this was the perfect opportunity for me to have him as a mentor in my life and just be able to hit the ground running in credit repair. My advice is, if you are on the fence, get off and just sign up with Dom. You will get a return on investment and then some. What you learn in this program, they are not teaching anywhere else, and definitely not in any of these books that I've read or seen anywhere else. Dom is the real deal, and he doesn't hold anything back. So he's worth it, and more than anything else, you are worth it. You are worth making the investment in yourself. Just don't wait, sign up, and let's go.